Good morning, waking up now. And now we have our friend waiting for us. How nice is that? Now I'm gonna put the trash in mon bijou where the trash is. I will put the plates. Have a delicious coffee. Good morning from St. Croix, and this is the container, one of the containers we are building. That's the deck we are building. If you're already following us, thank you. But if you want to learn everything about the Caribbean, how to buy land in the Caribbean, the rules, the laws, how to build a shipping tiny container, a tiny home that is not so tiny, or like construction methods, authorizations, regulations, nature, impact, how to do it, DIY, subscribe. You're gonna learn so much. You're gonna get to know everything we're doing. Subscribe now and watch the playlist.